Okay, basically what we have here is multiple re-entries. There's 2 points. We're running off the bank here. Kind of a long entry over the 2 points, up onto land on the other side, and then she's got to come back. This has actually been a top mark. We've had this earlier in the spring. It's been at least a month since we've run it. As you can see, the cover's really tall. I'm not sure what we're going to get. I'm going to try it cold and see if she'll navigate the cover and if this will go well. If it doesn't, if she breaks down, I'm hoping to have my gunner help and get her there and either repeat or I'll simplify it. But anyway, we're going to try it cold and see what we get and see what the cover does to her. So anyway, here we go. All right, Colin, we're ready. Mark. Ellie! Good. Just heard her hit the water again, so I think we're going to be in good shape. Yeah, it looks like she got out and then hunted back towards the gunner. And we sure as he'll figure it out there. All right. All right. Oh, she's throwing around the first point. Here! I'm going to slide down the dam and make sure she takes the second one. All right, that a girl, that a girl. That a girl, here we go. Here. Sit. Hold that, hold that. Out, shake. All right, I think that's good for today.